The focus of the MAP program is to ensure critical controls for high-risk tasks are implemented and effective in the field. Effective implementation is led by field supervision. We recently asked some of our field team for feedback on MAP and how we can improve the program going forward.
When I first heard of MAP, I thought, okay, here we go again, another layer. But then on review, reflection, looked at it, I could really see a positive use for it on the site and the projects.
Honestly, I just thought it was more paperwork that we needed to do to tick boxes. I wasn't sure if it had a great deal of value when I first saw it.
I've been using MAP for a few years now. Initially I wasn't sure what it was. I thought it might be more of an administrative burden. Clearly not the case. It's a game changer, I'd say.
What I value about MAP is the fact that you can use it or apply it across the project from start to finish. It enables you to identify during the risk assessment process what controls, what mitigation controls you can put in place to ensure that if there is an incident or an event, that it doesn't escalate.
What impresses me the most about MAP is how it ties all our processes together and gives us a mechanism to monitor the progress of the project.
Well, we can take, for example, today, for the first time we're lifting tilt panels into place on site behind me there. Before we started work, we got through the relevant MAP checks together and made sure we had all of the controls in place before we allowed the guys to start the work. So it's a level of assurance and confidence that we've got everything we need in place before we start the job.
Having employees that feel that they can stop work at any given point in time is critical for us to keep a safe site. Complacency and blindness to a situation happens whether we like it or not. Keeping everyone focused and talking about safety and the minor things is what stops things escalating and having a big incident.
Clough as an organisation is the only company I've worked for that has completed a project, the KLE project with zero harm. I use that when I'm presenting to clients or in the induction, emphasise the point that it is no longer an aspiration for Clough to reach zero harm, it's an expectation.
People doubt it. They say, oh, how can you have an incident-free project? Well, look, you can, I've done it. It takes a lot of work. Everybody needs to be on board. You need to have the culture in place, but we've had that and it's worked. And yeah, it's a great feeling.
It helps us keep people safe. There's nothing more important to me in life, to be honest. This job right the way through has been very high-risk activities, and knowing that we've got MAP here on site, that I have to say it makes me sleep better at night, because you do genuinely care about the people that you're working with, and MAP provides that certainty and keeps people focused on the right things.